Hello, trading has closed on April 3rd, 2025. As always, we'll start with our disclaimer. And after we do our disclaimer, we'll go over our calls and make some predictions. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, which is April 4th, 2025. I won't be doing any trading on the 4th. I won't be doing any trading Monday. I won't even be able to look at the market. And I couldn't look at it today because for most of the day I had no charts. The screens were just blank. My internet situation will improve by next week and hopefully on this weekend too. Under my trading rules is whenever the market makes its biggest moves, I can't take advantage of them because I have personal business. We made two videos yesterday. The first one said there was a higher target. Unless we gap down smartly, it should print. And that I was looking for higher prices. And shortly after I recorded that, I saw that futures were collapsing. So I made another video saying, forget the whole thing. We're not going to trade higher. We are going to gap down smartly, and that proved to be an understatement. Well, early on, MEJT gave an ultimate sell signal. We got the minimum target immediately. We got a sell signal in the afternoon. Of course, we got more than the minimum there too. This is a daily chart. These are the DeMark counts. If you go way back to last year, you'll see 5406 was the TDST line of a 9-13-9 sell signal, which marked the area of a top. So this number 5406 is a support area, and the support goes to one bar under the line. So support doesn't have to hold, but usually it will, and we're now in an area where you could start to look for support. That doesn't mean we're not going to drop more. In fact, when a day like today, that's normally a bullish one, is bearish instead, as a straight line drop, it means the drop isn't over. Doesn't mean we have to trade lower tomorrow, though usually we will. Doesn't mean we'll close lower tomorrow, though often we will, but it means there's more downside to come. Question is how much, and frankly, I just can't do that analysis right now. I had to go to a different location to even make this recording. This is the 89-week moving average. When you're in a bull market, prices tend not to go under that number. And that number is just under 52.50. It's maybe about 150 handles under where we are now. So if we're in a bull market, and in spite of this collapse, I think we still are, we shouldn't really go under this line, or if we do go under it, it should be brief and quickly reversed. Let's remember 52.50. That's not what I want. I have a MEJT target from last year, also in the 5200s at 5292.30. Maybe, and that's a maybe, we'll see 5292.30, but we're not going to see 52.50. It's a guess, and as I said, for most of the day my screens were completely blank, and I'll have more information over the weekends. But I do think the decline's not over, but we're in an area where support probably is within 150 points of the low. So it's a pattern tomorrow with the early high. Don't risk money on this without doing your own analysis, because I had almost no time to look at the market today. That should change next week. Friday's pattern has a yearly high regardless of where we open. Those are my grandchildren, whose noise you hear in the background. Today's normally bullish pattern wasn't bullish, it was bearish. It should lead to lower prices printing, most likely tomorrow. We're nearing critical support on the daily chart. I had almost no time to analyze the market today. Hopefully I'll be able to do more analysis over the weekend. I'll be back to my normal schedule by the middle of next week. And that's today's call.